Hi, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. This is my first word book about things that go. This is a beautiful board book, nice and sturdy. As you can see, the fun already begins right on the front where it is talking about different things that go. So if your child loves cars, planes, trains, anything like that, this is the perfect book for them. It is nice and sturdy, so it will handle being read over and over again. This is also fantastic for schools, for your classroom, or for your library. Here's in the park. And you can also obviously talk about the things that you see here beyond just reading the word. So you can talk about how many dogs do you see? And then they can count the dogs. How many little kids do you see? What is this little girl ordering? She's ordering ice cream. What kind of ice cream would you like? What kind of food is this man serving? It looks like noodles, a little noodle truck. So you can really talk about, take things further and further as your child gets older. What is this called? It's a hot air balloon. Where do you think they're going in their hot air balloon? Where would you like to go in your hot air balloon? Where would you like to go on your plane? You could talk to them about what a hang glider is. Where would you use a chairlift? And then talk to them about skiing. A sleigh, how adorable is that? A dog sled, oh my god, how cute. Snowboarding, an airboat. You can talk about a gondola. Where do you find gondolas at? And then talk about the different cultures and the different places around the world that use these particular modes of transportation. Superspeed, space rocket, and then you can show them a rocket launch or something like that, or talk about where rocket launches happen and what happens when they go to space. A bullet train, what makes a bullet train different from all the other trains? See what I mean? Just because it's a book about words, that doesn't mean that you can't make up your own words and really speak to your child about these things that they're learning about. Such a fun book, and it is only $9.99, you guys. I love our first word books. We have several of them beyond things that go. We also have just a regular My First Word book. We have My First Word book in Spanish and other languages. We also have My First Word book about food, about me, and several others. Just go ahead and ask me if you have any questions or speak with your own book consultant. Thanks so much for watching.